Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on this record. I've taped up the back and plugged up the middle, and all I have to do now is put on the white paint so that it covers the vinyl. And you end up looking with something like this. Isn't that pretty? Working clock. So that's what I'm going to be working on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've painted the record and I've mixed up my colors. This is like a navy blue and a silver, not a silver, a gray and a turquoise. I'm not sure if I'm going to tilt. I think I'll try to tilt it first and then maybe use the blow dryer if I need to. But I'm curious to see how this is going to work. So here we go. Oh, great. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, does that happen to you? Oh well. I like these two colors together. And this lighter one here. I think I'm going to use the hair dryer. All right, here we go. Move these out of the way so I don't blow them off the table, which has happened. All right, here we go. Wow. Another. This is not going well. Wow, that looks great. I love it. Love it. I'm going to bring you down. Now, sorry about the glare, but look at that. Look at that beautiful lacing. Slow down. That is beautiful. These colors worked so well together. I'm definitely a blue girl, as you might know, and this is fantastic. I love it.